Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit lag for Free Fire and the best settings to help lower your ping, reduce lag spikes, and improve your overall gaming experience. If you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First, open your exit log and log into your account and go to the connection tab where you can see an add button. Click on that. Search for Free Fire in the search bar. Click Free Fire on the list. If you're playing on PC through an emulator like GameLoop, BlueStacks, or LD Player, you can also add the emulator profile if needed. Then you will be redirected into the server where you can see choose a region. Click on that. There's a two option here where you can see an manual and the automatic. For the best result, choose the automatic and select the nearest or preferred location you want. Select Asia. Next is enable multipath routing and click the advanced settings. Select the TCP routes into 0 and the UTP routes into 4. Then the optimization will select into high. Once you've finished configuring the settings, click the Apply Routes and wait for the exit lag to optimize the connection. After the routes have been applied, launch your emulator and start Free Fire. When you enter a match, check your ping and connection stability. You should notice fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother gameplay. If you're still experiencing high ping, try switching between automatic and manual route selection to find the best route for your internet provider. You can also improve your connection by closing background downloads, streaming apps, and other programs that use bandwidth while gaming. Keep in mind that exit lag can create through zero ping, but it can help optimize your connection path and provide the lowest possible latency available for your network. And that's it, you're now ready to enjoy your smoother Free Fire experience using Exit Lag. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials and optimization guides and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Lag with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link and the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.